Welcome to Sulaiman Rent A Car, Qatar's premier and top-ranking car rental service since 2002. For over 2 decades, we have built a reputation for excellence and innovation, offering a diverse fleet to meet every need. Our dedicated team of professionals ensures that your experience is seamless from reservation to return. Safety is our priority. Each vehicle undergoes rigorous maintenance and sanitization for your peace of mind. Experience first-class service with our professional chauffeur options available at your request. Need flexibility? Well, we offer customized pricing for daily, weekly and monthly rentals, ensuring you get the best value for your needs. With convenient location including our main branch on Sea Ring Road and another in Al Khor, we're always within reach. Looking for long-term rentals? We offer highly competitive rates for both individuals and corporate clients, making mobility hassle-free. At Sulaiman Rent A Car, we don't just rent cars, we create experience. Join over 20,000 satisfied clients who trust Sulaiman Rent A Car for their transportation needs. Book your ride today, call us or visit our website now.